Do you know that you need to plug in your embroidery machine into something called a battery backup? Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com. We're in the middle of filming one of our videos for our brand new Machine Embroidery 101 online course. And this particular box is a battery. Now, why do we need to talk about this? So here's the thing. Now, right now, we're coming into our summer months, and in the United States or the Northern Hemisphere, we are getting warmer by the day, and we are turning on our air conditioners in our homes. So when you embroider, if you've ever had the issue where you're embroidering and then all of a sudden you look down and you realize that your embroidery is off, and you haven't bumped the hoop or done anything to have offset that design, it could be because your home electricity has just gotten a little, let's call it lazy. You didn't see your lights flicker or anything, but your embroidery machine had a little less energy coming to its source. And with that, during embroidery, your design will look like it has shifted about an inch, half inch to an inch. A battery backup, which when you plug your embroidery machine into, will keep your machine seeing constant electricity. So no laziness and no spikes, okay? Because that's what a surge protector's for. Those too much bits of electricity that might come to your home unexpectedly, outside a power line was hit or a squirrel hit a transformer. We've had that happen. But this is what will keep your machine happier. It'll also eliminate issues where circuit boards in your machine get where they don't work anymore. So this is a lifesaver. We'll put links in your resource page to the one that I recommend. You can buy them on Amazon, and it is worth the insurance of having anything computerized plugged into this. So if that happens, you actually will not even know it. The battery will kick on, and should you completely lose power within your home, this will keep your embroidery machine running for about 5 minutes. So you don't need like a 20-minute battery backup or an hour battery backup. Those are expensive. A 5-minute battery backup is about all you need, and you will find that this will be your lifesaver come the summer months. Anytime we've taught this in classes before, and it's like the winter time, people are like, oh yeah, I'll get to that and not get it. And then all of a sudden, that first nice warm day comes and we flip those air conditioners on. That pulls away power from our embroidery machines, and then that's when they remember, oh yeah, Sarah said we should have bought that battery backup. So this is what we recommend for all of our students and owners of embroidery machines, and it will save you headaches down the road. You don't have time to take things out or do things over, that battery backup will be your lifesaver. If you want any more information about our online courses, the Embroidery Essentials course or the Machine Embroidery 101 course, we'll put links in the description below, and also a link to the battery backup we recommend.